Imagine waking up one day, checking your bank account, and realizing you're broke. Again. Despite working hard, your money just vanishes. Where does it go? And more importantly, how do you stop the madness? The truth is, most people don't have a spending problem. They have a budgeting problem. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to take control of your money and stop wasting it on things you don't even remember buying. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know the exact steps to build a budget that works, so you can start saving, investing, and living the wealthy lifestyle you deserve. Let's dive in. Let's start with the harsh reality. If you don't tell your money where to go, it will disappear. Most people think budgeting is about cutting out everything fun. No coffee, no takeout, no joy. But that's not budgeting. That's torture. A real budget isn't about restriction, it's about freedom. Freedom to spend guilt-free on things that actually matter to you. But here's where most people go wrong. They don't track their spending. Ever looked at your bank statement and thought, wait, I spent how much on food last month? Yeah, that's why your money is running away from you. Here's your first challenge. Track every single dollar you spend for the next 30 days. Trust me, this one step alone will be a wake-up call. No more, where did my money go? Moments. You'll know exactly where it went. And that's the first step to taking control. All right, now that you've faced the cold, hard truth, let's talk solutions. Step 1. The 50-30-20 rule. Think of your income like a pizza. 50% goes to needs, rent, groceries, bills. 30% goes to wants. Yes, you can keep your Netflix. And 20% goes to savings and investments. Simple, right? But here's the catch. If you don't automate your savings, you won't save anything. So set up an automatic transfer to a savings or investment account. That way, you save money without even thinking about it. Step 2. The envelope method. No, you don't need to carry cash-filled envelopes like it's 1995. Just create separate bank accounts or budgeting apps for different expenses. One for rent, one for groceries, one for fun. When the fun account runs dry, guess what? No more fun until next month. Harsh? Maybe. Effective? 100%. Step 3. The spending permission trick. Before making any non-essential purchase, ask yourself, would I still buy this if I had to wait 24 hours? If the answer is no, congratulations, you just saved money. If the answer is yes, go ahead and buy it. Guilt-free. This one trick can stop impulsive spending in its tracks. These 3 steps will transform your finances faster than you think. But what happens if you're living paycheck to paycheck? Let's fix that next. Budgeting is easy on paper. Sticking to it? That's the real challenge. Here's the secret. Make your budget flexible, not rigid. Some months you'll spend more on gas, others on eating out. That's fine. Adjust and move on. Guilt doesn't pay bills. Action does. And if you think, I don't make enough money to budget, let me tell you something harsh but true. If you can't manage a little money, you won't manage a lot. Even millionaires budget. That's how they stay rich. So start now, even if you're broke. Cut unnecessary expenses, automate your savings, and stick to the plan. In just a few months, you'll see the difference. And if you really want to supercharge your finances, you need to learn the secret to saving money fast. That's exactly what I cover in my next video. Click here to watch How to Save Money Fast, 10 Genius Hacks. See you there.